This is how you prepare your canvas if you want to do a nighttime scene. You'll need either black acrylic paint or some sort of black gesso. Either one should be fine to use. So all I've got here is I've got a small amount of black gesso and I've just put it onto an old sponge that I've had laying about. You can apply it with either a sponge or an old brush or anything really. And all I'm doing for this first covering is just to scrub it on. I'm just wanting to get in all of the nooks and crannies in the canvas, make sure you get all the tooth filled in, and just give it a good scrub all around the edges and all the way across the middle so you get a nice even distribution. You can make sure you've got it evenly covered by just going from left to right all the way up to the top, leaving a thin coat, and then we need to wait for this to dry. Okay, so it's been about 20 minutes and now it's fully dry. I'm going to go over it again with the same sponge and the same paint. It's just standard black gesso. And I'm just again scrubbing the paint in. I just want to get it all covered. You should only need 2-3 coats maximum, just depending on what the coverage is like and what the quality of the canvas is like. Like I say, it's just a case of going over it all and just filling in any possible bits that you might have missed the first time, and then just get it evenly covered. You don't want to put too much on. Now we do this time, because we went from left to right the first time, we're now going to go up and down to create the even strokes that way. And then once that's fully dried, you can then apply your liquid medium and start your oil painting on top of this, and it's all prepared and ready. Thank you very much. See you in the next one.